Namaste. Today I am going to talk about a personal experience of mine on how yoga can bring in a positive change in curing ulcer, acidity, and acid reflux. My profession has been an extremely stressful one and always keeping me busy round the clock, due to which it is always difficult for me to practice any exercise on a regular basis. One fine day, while returning from my office, I developed some breathing issue, and while parking my car, I fainted at the parking lot. Was admitted to the hospital, and later on we came to know there was internal bleeding leading to a formation of an ulcer internally. And this all happened due to extreme stress and tension. I was in the hospital for 10 days, and post my return from the hospital to my regular life, I started again going back to yoga. Under my guru Prema Nagesh at Vyanti Studio, I went through a regular systematic process of yoga and active meditation to completely cure my problem of ulcer, acidity, and acid reflux. Today, I shall show you 5 different asanas which has helped me immensely in curing my ulcer and acidity problem. But before I proceed to demonstrate these asanas, please keep in mind the following 4 very important and vital points. Number 1, no stretching in the abdominal area for around 1 year post the surgery. Number 2, right breathing technique is extremely important. Breathing is very important in any form of asanas we perform. Number 3, constant humming. Like this, which is very important while doing these exercises. It reduces the stress, it cools the body, induces calmness into your body, and produces the powerful neurochemical hormone which helps in acidity. And number 4, but the most important, performing pranayama at least 2 to 3 times a day, especially Anulom Vilom, deep breathing, and Shitali. Let me now show you those 5 asanas which has helped me immensely in reducing the ulcer, acidity, and acid reflux. The first of this asana which I am going to demonstrate is called Sahaja Janurasana.
Breathe in, and while breathing out, hold your right foot with your right hand. Your back and the leg should be straight against the wall. Look towards the opposite side. Hold for 10 counts. Now change the leg. Breathe in, and while breathing out, hold your left foot with your left hand. Your back and the leg should be straight against the wall. Look towards the opposite side.
Is Ardha Naukasana. This asana has helped me immensely in increasing the strength and bringing in a lot of stability to my core muscles. Let me now demonstrate how to do this asana.
Sit in Vajrasana. Hold the right leg with both hands and stretch it forward. Crunch your core. Come back to normal position. Now hold the left leg with both hands and stretch it forward. Crunch your core. Come back to normal position. Repeat it for 2 times. You may use a chair as your prop to practice this asana.
Cat pose. This cat pose has helped me to tone my gastrointestinal tract to a huge extent. Let me now demonstrate how to perform this asana.
Breathe in with your chin up, pulling the stomach in and with an arch in the back. Breathe out with your chin up and arch coming back to normal. Repeat it 2 times.
Setu Bandhasana. This asana helps immensely in relaxing your entire body.
Fold your legs and bring them close to your stomach. Now breathe in. Tighten your lower back and go as high as possible. The hands should be touching your feet. Now breathe out slowly by holding your bandhas, and once you're done, slowly come down to normal position. Repeat it 3 times.
Janu Sanchalan. This asana has helped me in building up a strong digestive system. Let me now demonstrate this asana.
Hands stretched, legs close to stomach, left foot on the right knee, and drop it to the left side and look to the opposite side. Hold for 5 counts. Breathe in and come back. Breathe out and drop it to the other side. Hold for 5 counts. Breathe in and come back. Right foot on the left knee and drop it to the right side and look at the opposite side. Hold for 5 counts. Breathe in and come back. Breathe out and drop it to the other side. Hold it for 5 counts. Breathe in and come back.
Hope you like the above asanas. Please share your feedback, which will help us to make more such videos related to various issues concerning our health and well-being. If you need to know more details about pranayama, please visit the YouTube link on pranayama for beginners at uploads from Vyanti Yoga. Or for more details, please write to us or visit us as premanageshvyanti@gmail.com, website vyantiyoga.com, or our blog yogatherapyforall.blogspot.com. Namaste.